Ever found yourself at a checkout, ready to swipe your YouTrip card, only to have that tiny, nagging voice in the back of your head whisper, "Wait, am I going to hit my limit?" Yeah, me too. It's that little moment of panic, especially when you're traveling or making a big purchase. You're trying to figure out if you're about to be politely declined, or if you're good to go. We've all been there, right? YouTrip is fantastic for its convenience and those sweet exchange rates, but understanding its transaction limits is crucial. It's the difference between a smooth, seamless payment and an awkward fumble. So, let's cut to the chase. How do you actually check your YouTrip transaction limit? First off, let's talk about why these limits exist. They're not there to annoy you, trust me. They're a security measure designed to protect you from fraud and ensure responsible spending. Think of them as guardrails for your digital wallet. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The most reliable way to check your YouTrip transaction limit is directly through the YouTrip mobile app. That's right, it's all in the palm of your hand. Here's how you do it. Open the YouTrip app, fire up the app on your smartphone, and make sure you're logged in. Navigate to your profile, look for the profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Find Settings or Account. Within your profile, you'll find a section labeled Settings or Account. Tap on that. Locate Transaction Limits or Card Limits. Scroll through the options until you see Transaction Limits or Card Limits. This is where the magic happens. Review your limits. Here, you'll find a breakdown of your various transaction limits. You'll typically see daily, monthly, and annual spending limits, as well as limits for ATM withdrawals. It's important to note that these limits can vary depending on your account verification level and the specific regulations in your region. So, what you see might be slightly different from what someone else sees. Now, what if you can't find it or you're still unsure? Don't worry, YouTrip has got you covered. You can also check the YouTrip website. The official YouTrip website has a comprehensive FAQ section that often includes information on transaction limits. Contact YouTrip customer support. If you're still having trouble, reach out to YouTrip's customer support team. They're usually very responsive and can provide you with personalized assistance. You can typically find their contact information within the app or on their website. Keep in mind that YouTrip might occasionally update their limits, so it's always a good idea to check regularly, especially if you're planning a large purchase or an extended trip. Also, a quick tip, if you're planning on going over your limit, contacting YouTrip support in advance is a good idea. They may be able to provide temporary adjustments, though this isn't guaranteed. By staying informed about your YouTrip transaction limits, you can avoid those awkward moments at the checkout and enjoy the full benefits of your digital wallet. It's about being prepared and taking control of your finances, even when you're on the go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.